Hey you guys, this is another, well, it's not a wig review, it's a different type of review. I usually do a video once a year about, what's in my bag or anything like that. And so I came across I was on TikTok and I came across this account that actually had, like, they were having replica bags. And so I'm always opposed of buying a replica bag, but this particular bag I had to get. And I will be showing you guys the unit, showing you guys the bag, but I am going to say I do not support fully, like I fully don't support people ripping off designer brands. But I will say this, I understand that, everybody's out here trying to make money. I get that. So I'm not gonna sit here and just say like I'm hardcore promoting this company, because this is me. I spent my own money for it. But there are some people that's out there that don't have the funds to go out and go purchase a very expensive bag. Sometimes they don't, and I get it. And so if I can come on here and show you guys a bargain friendly or budget friendly alternative to getting that bougie girl vibe with staying on a budget, you guys know I'm going to come through for you. So what I got, I went to DHgate, and I'm pretty sure everybody on here has always talked about DHgate. I've never heard of it, and I saw this bag and I fell in love with the bag. And it was something real cute, real simple. And if I did get it from the actual store, it would have cost me so much money, which if I'm going to spend a lot of money, I'm going to spend it on the bag that I really want. And so it is a Louis, and it comes in like the actual, it comes in a box just like the actual box. So I definitely will say, like, that's actually pretty dope, where you're getting a quality like as if you were getting a real one. But this is what it looks like. And then it has a little drawer and it opens. And so this is the strap, like so. This is the strap. And then you're gonna get your bag, which is in this little package right here. And of course it says Louis Vuitton on there. But this is what I got. I just thought that this was the dopest bag in America. It's a clutch. I don't know what the replica name, the actual bag itself that's called for this, but I will look it up. I just thought that this was the dopest bag. Now, I am going to open it. Right now, it's pretty hollow because I took most of the stuff out of it that comes with it, but I'm about to go get that so I can show you guys. But I will say this. I love the envelope on there. Like, I love the envelope look, because there's sometimes, like, if I go out, I want to carry a designer bag with me, but I don't want to carry my Speedy 40, or I don't want to have anything hanging off me. I want to be like real cute and have a clutch. And so I thought, when I saw the envelope bag, I thought this was everything that I was looking for. The only thing is, I will say this, it feels like the real one, but it does not smell like the real one. And if you guys, I will do I'll actually do a video on how to spot a real from the fake and all that. I'll actually go through and do that with you guys. But right now we're just talking about this unit, this baby here. I said unit. I'm so used to doing wig reviews, you guys. But yes, this is like my new baby. Like I said, she does not smell like a real one, but she feels like a real one. So I mean, hey, I'm all about faking it till you make it. And if you got the money, go out and go get a real one. If you don't, hey, this is a cute alternative. So I'm going to open it, but I got to go get the other pieces that go with it. So be right back. Okay, so this is the main bag. And when you open it up, it's really pink. It actually has like a section where it came with a really cute strap that I'm using on something else. But this part comes out, so just in case you don't want to use the insert, you are able to use it just by itself like that. But I like the little insert that goes in there, so I think that's really dope. And then it actually came with this piece inside of it like that. And then this piece was inside of the small one. So you're getting 3 pieces for 60 bucks. I literally paid $60 for this. So I thought it was really cute. So what I end up doing with mine was I used this as an actual clutch itself. And then this one I use as a really nice wallet for my cash and everything, and my Speedy, because I thought it was really cute. And I love the fact that it has different colors on the inside. And this one, the Real Mini, I actually keep my debit cards in, which works out really, really well to where I could just take my cards, put in my pocket, and go on about my day. Or, you know, I can put it in here along with the cash, and I'm still able to be like, okay, this is still my wallet itself, just like so. So I thought that was really, really neat to do. And like I said, I just keep these two pieces in my purse separately, or like I said, I can just throw them together like so, which I just thought that was really, really dope to do. But yeah, I got all of this for 60 bucks on dhgate.com. Not a bad deal, you guys. I definitely will say this definitely wasn't a bad deal. If you guys like more of these baddie on a budget or bougie on a budget videos, let me know, and I would definitely do more, you guys. I didn't mind spending the money, and on top of that, I got something really cute that I know I'm actually going to use. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!